Great Waffle, Warmington Truck and Equipment Sales, Faribault, Minnesota, 507-210-7203, 1829 Northwest 6th Street, Faribault, 55021. There's the 4 auction trucks, 2010 available. That Pete is gone, picking up today. We got Peterbilt 579 available, another one available. We got freightliner 16s. Those are PACCAR automatics. These are DD13 automatics. I have this 8600. I got a couple more Peterbilts there. I got a couple Pro Stars, cheap on the Pro Stars. This is a 2010 International. And this is another Pete. I have a few more Petes. And these are garbage trucks. I think one's at the shop getting fixed, it's sold. And 2 of these are pending. And I do have one freightliner with an Allison. Some nice front loaders, 55 grand. I mean, I've had 100 messages on them. All right, if you need anything, give me a call, 507-210-7203.